Today in this tutorial, I will show you how to earn $5 every 1 minute by typing words. This is a brand new strategy. You don't need any skill, and you don't need any experience to do this. The best part about this method is that this is 100% free and you don't have to pay any money to do this. This is available worldwide, and it doesn't matter where you're coming from. You can use today's method and start making money online. Before we start it, this is Make Money Boss, teaching you another easy and free to use make money online method. If you want to learn more strategies to earn money online fast, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. As a result, whenever I come up with a new and innovative way to make money online, you'll be the first to know. As a result, you can make the most money. Now, all you have to do is watch the entire video and follow the instructions in this tutorial. Now, let's get started. Go to this website, which is called ratatype.com. This is a convenient and straightforward online typing application for everybody who wants to type better. This is the home page of this website where you can take a free typing test. Now click on the yellow button, and once you click on that button, you'll be taken to this page where you may start typing on your phone or computer. I'd like you to take the speed typing exam because this website will provide you with a typing certificate. Don't worry, you can receive the certificate for free. You need one because it will increase your income and earning rates. If you are entirely new but have the certificate to prove that you can type, you will be accepted much faster and have access to more high-paying jobs and opportunities. Once you get the certificate, you will be ready for work. Now go to a website which is called rev.com. Rev is a platform that allows people to transcribe, caption, or subtitle their videos. If someone wants to add subtitles in their video or transcription service, they can use this website. Basically, people go to this website and put in their video, and then they will receive transcription or a subtitle. Rev is a platform that allows people to do that. But they also need people to transcribe captions or subtitles on those videos. That is the reason why you're going to make money. This is a legitimate company that has earned the trust of over 170,000 clients from all over the world. They work with many big companies like Amazon and Microsoft. As you can see, you can make 1.25 cents per minute for transcriptions and English subtitles, and $3 to $7 per minute when you translate videos with foreign subtitles. For example, if you're from a foreign country and can speak a foreign language, you can help by putting subtitles to videos in that language. You can make a lot of money translating videos into other languages. But if you're new to the job and don't speak a foreign language, I would recommend audio and video transcription, which pays 1.25 cents each minute worked. Once you get the certificate, you will be ready for work. For those who don't know what is transcription or caption is, when someone takes an audio or video recording of an important conversation or speech and converts it into usable text, that is called transcription. A transcript is word-for-word, written documentation of a recording. You may be wondering why people pay you for transcription. They pay you because there are so many benefits of transcribing any video or audio file. The main benefit is accuracy. Transcription provides you with an accurate record of what was said. It's a mechanism to capture all the important details without worrying if you remember everything correctly. And captioning is the creation of text-based closed captions from video or audio. In addition to typing the dialogue, captioners also describe sound effects and music cues to help viewers understand what's going on. Captioners then time the captions to the audio. This is a very time-consuming task, so people come here on Rev and post their requirements as a job. And people like you do it and get paid for that. Now, if you click on freelancers, you can see exactly how much money you make and what you need to do for that. With Rev, you will get a flexible work schedule. That means this platform allows you to work whenever you want. Here you can see, enjoy selecting from various projects that actually interest you. Our vast network of customers means a steady stream of freelancing jobs to choose from. That means you can select the project that you like most, and you will get paid weekly via PayPal. Here you can see exactly how much money you'll get paid. If you're going to become a transcriptionist on Rev, you need to listen to audio and video accurately, type what is being said, and label speakers. You will get paid anywhere between 30 cents up to $1.10 per audio or video minute. For a captioner, you need to watch the video accurately, type what is being said, creatively convey sounds, sync type audio with the video. For that, you will get paid anywhere between 54 cents to $1.10 per audio or video minute. If you want to get started with any of these, what you do is click on Learn More. Apart from that, once you click on this, you will land on this page. All you have to do is create a freelancer account to make money. Now enter your first name, last name, and email address. Select your country and click on this Next button. When you do that, you will see your profile is successfully created. After that, you will be eligible to get work from our clients, and you will be able to make money from this website. Now I'd like to introduce you to another website where you can sign up for absolutely free. Before we continue, if you enjoy this video, make sure to like and share your thoughts about the video in the comments section below. Now, let's get started. The next website is called transcribeme.com. As an industry leader in transcribing, TranscribeMe provides exceptionally accurate, rapid, and secure data tailored to your specific needs. TranscribeMe offers different levels of transcription services that are based on your priorities. Each service offers something different, whether quick delivery, higher accuracy, or complete word-for-word transcription. The cost will vary based on the length of the audio file and the delivery time. All transcription services are based on the set rate per audio minute. If you require custom formatting, then you should contact their services team. Here you can see that they provide services such as artificial intelligence data sets, speech recognition, data annotation, transcriptions and translations, and other things. But I'd like you to concentrate on the transcription. Here on the TranscribeMe website, you cannot transcribe long interviews. You will get only 2 to 4 minute clips. Now, I wanted to click the Jobs button right here. This will then take you to a new page about transcription jobs that you can work at the comfort of your home. They built their transcription process end-to-end to take advantage of the best of both worlds, a hybrid model that combines speech recognition technology and human transcribers to produce transcripts at outstanding quality and accuracy. Now click on the Get Started button to create an account. You'll need to provide your first and last name, email address, and password. When you are registering, use your actual email to activate your account. They may send you job offers via email, so be sure to check the promotional tab in your email to avoid missing any emails from them. After that, enter your PayPal account to receive your earnings. Then select your country, time zone, language, and other things. Once you have filled out the forms and agreed to the terms of service, you can go ahead and create your profile. An additional tip to get accepted on this site is that you may send your typing speed results from ratattack.com through email. The faster you type, the more opportunities you will have. But make sure to submit your project on time to keep receiving more and more daily tasks. That's it for today's video. If you want to know more ways of making money online, check out my other videos.